Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I'm KANTHARAJ from NAGAR branch. Today I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup the clip arts in MS Office. So it may be MS Word, Excel or PowerPoint or any other software in MS Office. So we can group and ungroup the particular clip art. So insert the clip art first. Right click on the clip art, grouping, ungroup. So click on yes and you have to do 2 times. So then we can ungroup the particular product or the particular object very easily. Undo. Want to again regroup it, select all the objects, right click, grouping, group. So before grouping, so whichever the objects which are not required, we can delete those objects and select overall objects, right click, grouping, group. So we can ungroup the clip art and remove the unwanted products and you can regroup it. This is how we're going to use group and ungroup option in MS Word. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to the CAD NEST channel.